Yes.
Oh, ano daw?
I-release na raw sa customs mga shipments! Na-tweet natin yung letter!
So, Ronnie, told you, I'm lucky today. And that goes for you too, Kimberly. Oh my God, congrats. Okay,
guys.
Balik tayo sa work. Call distribution, logistics, call mo na din. Tapos ni Sarah, yung PR, pakicall na din sila.
Yes,
Ako lang tatawag kay Debbie sa marketing. Go na, guys. Congrats.
Do this! Let's do this!
You know, I spoke to Madam Secretary, and she was furious. You should have heard her. She said that she will have that customs center placed as soon as possible. Thank you, Dad. Oh, sure ka na. Hindi na kayo magdi-dinner dito.
Dad, you know I want to, but I still have to meet with operations. You have to expedite the production for a swift batch release.
Oh, sige. Basta, palitaan mo ako.
Dad, I just wanted to thank you again for coming through, not just for me, but also for Prime Alpha.
Don't mention it. Pero, talas-talasan mo naman ang pagkonsulta. Miss ko na rin ang action sa opisina.
Dad, kaya nga kayo nag-retire, di ba? So you can rest.
Yes, but it sure can get lonely sometimes. So it would feel nice to be needed every once in a while.
Sabi mo yan, Dad, eh?
Oh, sige na. Give them a few more minutes. Ako nag-enjoy pa mami mo.
So, siya ba mama mo? She's pretty. Mukhang mabait.
Sana lang ho mas matagal ko siyang nakasama.
Yeah, I miss my mom too. Must have been hard for you.
Kaya ho, laking pasasalamat ko sa mga Castillo. Kasi hindi ho sila napagod na tulungan ako. After ho kasi mamatay ni Mama, sila na ho kasi yung nagpaaral sa akin eh. Kung hindi ho dahil sa kanila, baka ho sa kalsada na ho ako pulutin.
You know, the reason that I'm talking to you now is because I'm doing a story in the Castillos. Lahat ng mga tinulungan nila, which apparently, marami pala. Think of it like a tribute. And I just thought of it now since nag-uusap na tayo. Okay lang ba if may interview na rin kita?
Cheers! Shy type ka talaga, no? Maldo, let's dance! Sige na! Yes?
Alam mo bro, sir, hindi ka pwede makapagsalita.
Baby boy, sorry ha. May kanina naman ako. Ikaw naman kasi sabi ko sa'yo, let's dance na para hindi ka nasisingitan ng iba. Ay. Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba amazing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life?
Come on.